endless possibilities.
Costa TV, Jumedi for Fire by MPONTU. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. MPONTU Sama offer Kepus, baby will be MPONTU Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or the MPONTU, or the baby on the Yedin in Fubana over Tanasi. We are what the man. Or your one and Asadi, those MPONTU Baba Kepus. One and Asadi, those MPONTU Baba Central region. One and Asadi. Those MPONTU on Baba Gani Minara. MPONTU Sama offer Kepus, baby will be MPONTU Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or the MPONTU, or the baby in the P, and a Batinasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever Costa TV. Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. No, man, yes.
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm going to you about this every time I just say, baby, she. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My why?
Down Yankanawa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
Let me see your hand.
Who are those responsible for this?
Oh,
you know?
Yes, they.
Anope, mayama wachi na yama wakwaba, Embre Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Dama yaya na mimi ndano pe biaran, yadzi jumeza ya tundin MPONTU, ena yadzi brao baby biara ewo biara, MPONTU sama offer o community, offer o electoral area, offer o constituency, offer o city, offer o region. Ghana ha nyina MPONTU sama osada ye kan wasam na ye kan wasam meme nda biara na pa efi ne nso no kopim no nkono mezinzi MALIK RAMZY nti fi de ma bria kopim no nkono no nkomo pi ne ye batwetwe nkomo ye bezikan ye di ho nkomo kakra ye ofa ma mo ho nyame na adomara ya ye ejima o radio do na TV do ya che be 25 years in so nyame na adom aye oda ye otwami ye sha anniversary na ase nti mpanyimfo kakra obebo som nsa oye Rickpart lubricant onwa na oye seahorse product na ne hunzema nyina no usom nsem obom kakra na nyina ye ke share e wo Vix Court e ho na Thursday jumazi nyina obado yankohwe kakra bi okrodo ho ye ba ye botiado
Ramsey. What's in there? Behind a successful man, there is what? There is what? Behind any successful man, there is a woman. into Obadi over one another Ramzzy, where you drop on your paper or power when I use this war. It's in Yama Washington, Oregon, Ever in your back. Ovekinaha, Russian in Yama Okan, the Washington Sono. It is a young I get you that my efforts and work as say, it's a Ramzzy. Don't I can't.
Thank you. Mr. Upa, what can you know about the Kakama to back on there? There was okay. 25. The day I shall sit in over what? I probably remember somewhere in 1999. Yes, I said okay, so Kakranyan, you're about to intend the Kakra, you were from suspense. You were suspending Kakrana, you are Wakabayas, my do no, and I do no my year programming. You bet saying in a name the seahorse in pain for Saba, na Kakra once for walking, and a yitum Yaka, Nayazaka, Amenina. I have Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Yinina, you there, sea defense, and a Epona, Pietanon. From Pano coastal areas and Yankasa here subaninti yet some here coastal areas wama epon says your rubber fie a punu disaster na orba na wabase assassin na abanoso omon bandam painful ya aban dodwara wabanyi hona kasa na wa start oye sea defense a wodi trafa eponano nyina na waza block epon ma nsun omba fie na ombasa yaade nti Costa TV ye 2 amar asorba ena no dom production team ni nyina na ye coastal areas na ye hwe sea defense ni state it then nti ye boko na ye hwe asorba ne story documentary aw ye fefefe aye da papa nti ati na eti na hwe ni ye wia ye basan wona sea defense na nkasan odin sunsondo bi ozebra honan won so ye beti won na ye wia yabafa oye engineer na yetum yanyina atenase na yebisa no samkra na ebiembi of a sea defense ho ma oboboa ma omboa na sesia the state of sea defense coastal areas asesia ye humo record nti quickly yanko for documentaries in yamfamra yewia nkomotwetwe bia wo bia no yes about you do aha Coastal TV your own face your own voice kada oyempuntu Memenda no pebia no nson kopim no nkono ene yezebro yenko hwe documentary ne ba mo ho bia yezebot yedo
Mshama mu akwaba mo watena se mbra Coastal Television no degeta ne 514 dabara channel 54 ye Go TV do channel 22 ya other degeta box biara aka nti Facebook ya live na YouTube so I live inde ye bo hwe oye civil defense a woye wodabo oye hempa no mpa no nya no hoban na anomar kakra Coastal Television onyin hwehwem kakra ya ye kire de ejanom enanom afrodom richem de enyo see defense de wa ye susampare oye na mom debi dama no anwochire kakra na odeba ni senti na anye de wan wona ntino na wona nkese wan kire won kona order wo be see defense no fa na mom eduma funara onam de wo be yeduma na no ye won daw na wo pena nti wo de bi si bebi a wo pe na woko ama fadom nukwani wonde dem a wusu nti nda Coastal Television yetwa no ma yebupe mu waye itre na ehwe bebe yi gina nya sea defense ni from dem adoko oye edna mpano nti bridge anansamuda otwa edna na onyigwe ntem no ono nodo sea defense na yegina yin mayenko itre ifie na yen mpemfa a wo bonko misa wonde ana sea defense na wo baye no nukwani wa bon ana wa bon yanko ninkete nkomotwetwe ne bi
ikoi oya faruko na faruko so de wani faradwuma ne yeye na ona mda hiane mpoano no wase ama be no mpoano na nhama na aze ontumi ngine nti ama yene education sa nam no ontumi afofo opono yanama oba ne dama na owo mekoi na asetena waye ama abata no ontumi mbo won mba no won ko school baby mo pe be wujina ntumi nkagina mototo asra aba oya hene MC na wa mayen president na so ate yesel bebre nyame see defense hyan papa sese na nyame be ntumi ngina awoso be na wo hyan ma no wa abobo nyame so gina na me nanam abatan na mejanimi wonye busy na wonye bi hwe ye nuanome mmofome temasra abande and see defense oya roho oya asefu and president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama menimede oya listen president temasra omo he na oya roho wa kafo de nyan atetenam edumedi ayi ni koyi mu
Martin the see defense oya man no obohen we say na ne bo obohen na se aponu sechi bema sometimes no be fie na yo kakum na onye suwi no so oyili pa no so be fie but when you see defense no obompom but the first no nti ne bo obohen no ibi no no ne mbo wa mbohen no amema fomize se mekare wa mbohen na ano me da kwisam mo mu hu ne abekam oye abekam ko if you try to keeper we do abekam nsa na achedo abekam funu mum na see defense we ye no sisi ano no kwaya ko wa mo ho ekire ho obo de wa see defense na ada man chepo no obafa kwa kal kon no but see defense we ye mo nche do ma uje kon bi tutum mo hon tire mo wa no obantum na amutum woto wo abo na wa badam entrance mu no abo abotwen so na bantum badam no wa ya mo no we dwuma hon so we ya anyen sisi ano mo we see defense wo ju cross ehoni nya nti ama abekam funu wontum wonye dwuma nti mi training a minimum dey see defense we ye no e suwi no anya po no oyil papa first no be fie na see defense nti ontum mbe fie no amede kakra mo a me chere mi
na dem enyim ye de hwara yugu oye see defense na ho nsamsam do na yakọ oye edna bantuma na yakọ edna itwe na itwe no mu no na ekate asem bi fa oye abekam ejanum enanum afafo wa abekam na wona de no kwesi defense no bo ho no kra ntimfifim na mba be mu no ama ya atase de ode yebuhu oye abekam hen na jaga ena onye oye apofo hen a owo abekam meche oye nana John Atipo mayenkwe na yanyen kwatwetwe nkomon fa si defense de wa abo ho de ombo ho no yankọ nkete hu no masam yankọ
na mom si defense awade ba bekam hazi mbo bi anim osanda bibi ma ye adwuma wadembe gu ho ye twabo onye ye wasi yenyi yan ahama ina mfemfi ha ye fanko ayamboboy amimi ne mezebe hama made ko ayamboboy echina wasi yankọ twina ye fanko ay branta yakwe hama no nutrina wa abo pasa kura nti the how na come ahonche na da brain cause this ya yentumi adwuma yen adwuma bia wa yetina ho hwia no ayeye bibia bebi ponyo a wala bakada ya lutwa abo ho obeyi nti the how kase na da brain yen hwi ahonche no ma na yetina se uyiri wo ho na se okenya bibi na ofira na woso ezibi na anyin nti yen adwuma bia adwuma na yen janum wode ma yan wo ayeyen pasa kura sesi ase yebeye adwuma no pa na ode yenya adboard moto na adboard moto yisu na niska kase yenya ahama oye papa ahama nso wose mo fa ahama fufu bia mba bio nso wa ya ahoche nti ombo hen kura ya decide nde say wobo hen ma yanso yan sa ko yin anuma na ode o ma yeto ahama fufu wo ma hen adboard moto ono no bobo hen so no obandama yebotum ya to obo ne ya kapase ya pasa na eje edwi ono obo ma hen mboa na say adboard ni o aboard moto ni o bibia no haza yakopoa onye damana abankro na ne hihyen de ma yama foforo mba bio
nta yama foforo wa doso
mo onye yama foforo nti nansen ebisa yama no bwa o sande ebimba papa nti wa ma no bwa dinde nyo dam na azeneti ebo ni zo no yanzi dada ono ho premise da no nyamina dawro ma yo station wo Biakura aye wo boy en kakra na nanse na bimba nanse na bimba nti mo obahia pa ani adboard moton na yama sande yama no yama odubotum wa kadapuda adapuda ya wado sande yama dadaw owi
o no wamba ka kyanche na wo bijina juma na woyen a yehunda oba ha yen na ma okro ho na mko bisam what's wodru finfin wa onu obi je kwan atopo amai na yetumi ayefuma nti yehwe ya na dam ekon man wamba na efi menina na hona mgbo wuro no ikusha hona wo adia wo ye djuma dan komozinu mun na wo kede ahade want to mjan kono wo na wo ko enu kakra bi jan kon nusu ye cry awudru hon na mene eye gbo wuro ko ye cry nusu won nsam kam no chere wudru ahemba hona wo bi je kon atu hama ihe na ahembo kwenna nti ye jitu na yehwe na enuma na workwa na workwa na ye pro 100 bi na ehon na eyo hona eyo pain provide there wo ba chen bia or there yezin yama yezutu na wani hen pro brand to hale hona wo ba eyo wo ba ma ekon wo na brand to hon su sana obi atosase no nti ye pro hon na wazi yama no pro na asase wura so obai how na le no onyo hon pro police station nti police paying no obise na waka chende apufuyin wa na crime officer no o mama ofra na mu plan na ye kaka a order nkrofo no order wi yama no fi na asase no nti man no oda every 3 days bia o se anyama no da ho awo na asase do nti ahawa na ora hawo nature na mukoka che police no de anyama no oye ebasa nti we yi bi na fi ho na epro na ho no na sa abo nti wo baye ni ya ono obaba abafa nti dame yi no amama esisi ya ihe na ekuna yeko asana yenya bibi kakra kun no edna enam buzinzin outdam na yekwa yekato ansana ya yi yezizi nsi wa mama yehu adina ha onye pa yehu za yenye na premise na aya was Abraham no so this time on ba but is it not that 1 month over 1 month premise no on ba anu na ye jina do mpo ye kakraka no so mba bi na se obabu aheniza anu dema na akano or there egbo because egbo no egbo no dampa no chere no amama nsu ato eguduma egbo no bebi mpo aside nti obama hen gbo na wetu wa man aboard moto yama oni aza nso ora ha pa nansen egwu awanu ekra onu ni yama no ye kakra na oziko branta ho watu gbo na branta ho mbu bangotin nse entumi twi egwu no mo mbafom gida epasi nse gamu ni yama no so wadu cry about a month ago no yama no pai na se pai nse abakem ha obia no na ayamwe abakem na ayamwe obia no o ye twi djuma di nse kom gutin na obokunya kom na okunya so wasi obeye ekon ka kon where obichunya nso ya ntase wotunya na ye benye ska impo na ye yakofi if you amuna ye na papa no na ye na Owoni obi ya bimbim wo bawo. Owo yan awa. Nti I don't know why how kasa man ya hwe dwuma dia apart from dwuma. Oye dwuma na so sisi ya ma wa bani. Ma wa ban so oba ha onye. Ba onye nyim zayen ye. You don't know anything to do apart from this fishing work. No. So I onye. So obetu mo agwanza.
Ebusabu akwaba. Mbe ko sa television no degeta na 514. Channel 54. Debe yenyim no. Ye de wa ye wo oye sea defense no nsem. Ye kupe mu oye abakam. Ye na najaga. Ye na bonkomo wa kire ahawa. Wo fo we sea defense nda oda bra hon. Ye nya apofanyen Owura John oye Atipo. Ye na bonkomo wo ina won se wo kan. Na wo kire me da. Wanda won fo hon ya man won fa mra na won ma park no baby sonko na se ya bosha ya kire hey aha na wata ma no ma park ya man no ibi ne bo no da ho agwe hey na ya ma wo batu gu ano ni da be bia e na wa ye ne de wo ma park ya man e hey so wo be no dem no na Atipo oreka no ode awo be no police fu ache won o san na asase ni bi ato o te baya na bar anan restaurant ana o te baya ni project nti wetu hun aso wetu na fu a wa mo hwan yama nyina no wa sasai nti abusia yama na ogu oya abiwo bi abuosu ogu bi da sesele afadoma nti wututu yi nka no ya ka konam akwampa no na enya na mokra da na enya tuyi bia nda tuyi na ayo so tremada ena ono Costa television aha na broma man kwan ma yede oya sea defense no ko matwetwe do ye do mo do boa do mo ni na no aha na broma man kwan ma yede besi aseda sonko onko ma survey professor Emmanuel kwam na ba feje Uncle Ben Derek ena onye owura oya ejei no nyina won mo denbo ena o ma yede dwumedi na no yede abrahumi eba fam kitikeku asorba kofi esuma mo ye fi the Costa television also wala wanyima wala wanza
and some of us sea defense ho e hen coastal areas ntano pay nyamena domara ye bedin komo is afa oye sea defense ho very important sea defense the impact of oil sea defense na coastal areas ofi Volta regional de bagana or papapo ofi Volta regional de basin Accra wa ba himfa central wa ba himfa na basin nyina kwa western region epon ye fa no coastal areas e ho na wo na ihe ankasa na hen behavior hen suba na ye de nedinti ye timpano ahwea dok wa ba chechem ye da kire hen ma bibia oye wasai bibia ofan sea defense aban bia ba otu ho na mo na epon wa mbefie nya dam na nyame bon say hen suba na hen attitude uya nje say mpano nia wa fe nke sea defense bia anyo nanso ya ayema bibi asesa sisi oda nyankasa ye na ye boyen ho ban anope wo Coastal TV do your own face your own voice yanyi oye engineer doctor Gabriel Jonathan Eminsa oye coastal expert ana engineer ono na yanyi ne batwetwe nkomo fa sea defense ho nti mamma engineer akwaba na yenzi nkomo kakra emfa sea defense ho ye record na nhwana watititi baby a sea defense wono so wakasai no so yebokwa akofa na yazaba na oya mixed reaction na bi so you find the impact or your mixed impact ibi ho negative ibi ho positive nti doka be mayema doka che na yenhye nkomotwetwe na ase remember high Coastal TV your own face your own voice doc anope mayema wachi
Mejodo.
Bibia boko.
Nyamiadum bibia ye.
Ye bada nyamiaso so for your life and then yetun safro so ituma bana kakra woso inyim fasi defense won adenezi na acheche hema hia so yetumi yatasi yinta kwa babio.
Medasi bebre.
That's papa. Doctor oye engineer Dr. Gabriel Jonathan Eminsa on the yenye about to commander no pe. Doc nti yensha simfia. Ye ka see defense oye abade.
Medasi bebre. Ozikan maminche wahwefo na etiefu nyina so sea defense on the eka sea defense in yakasi nti abazan kase no sea defense na nkasaba ansa na yedu sea defense no
okay
akada yan coastline from Aflawa Basin ko by the Cape 3 Points way area or almost 560 kilometers nso onye azakakraba na obazen baby oban epon nzie nyina affect coastline banyimpa so ya zie bebrea sesia wama epon za nyankopon boy epon ze yamfa de bia no ri ahwea no asanza ahwea reba but ahwea no ze ba no fi hemfa ofi ya na asase ya mu rivers na zi no was ahwea reba na epon nya bi no zro ko ri bi baby no zbi but sesia ahwe wiase bebrea wa dam rivers ne bebre nyanka se ya galamsey into rivers na mpo on kompo no za ahwe mpo akwa epon mu wow on ya azokre nti ahwe na epon hia za
so this is very important.
Yes.
It means that nsuno oto ewo kwai mu no nsuno oto na ayi hu do kopu mu.
Yes.
Oz bibi come upon
ozinzama people.
Oh really?
Oz ahwe oz nutrients epon hia bebre oz fi asase no do oz kwa epon mu. Nti hia nzi ya block onya Ghana nkotin me ya ndwen da Ghana nkotin na ya block the mazen ya block nzama pi yes yenzen onya dam sonkotin galamsey wa ma puna nsuna kaso nkodo epunu mu nti onfa hwe na azanko dam nzama nyina echi no so wo fra bibi global warming oma epunu level orokosoro osande ice owo north pole na south pole or none nti epunu level no orokosoro nti nyina kan wa ma epun ore benyan dodo or dizi benyan ahwe enyiwo so asasina no obeyi ni mu ahwen nti obeyi road se rivers na za ahwen rokwanka obenya ahwen ozekogu bebi foforo ba ahwen nyi wonto oya ompa ahwen bia amba de bia makada mkagina ola na mehwede yesu son bebi ma mpano no wo na sesia nkubia we buba ban no da pono aba but yanka wa asem bebre dam yen do rokoso yen hu ze yare ye nti onye nzama oma ohia de ya be sea defense nti sea defense na nkasa oya baze nti oye nhihye ya pediezi go konuma epone nzie or irodia ontum onya ahwa foforo mfanhyemi ebotum ya so na no nti sea defense basically that is what it is. Yes.
Okay. Nti mamonti no mi senti ye this one na epono wa mefiefie is that the best solution ono no say that ya
questioning oye straightforward so onye straightforward.
Yeah.
As in there you sea defense onyaza yehu da wazem bobarugu on continue sea defense. Say ehwebuku mo bakra sea defense or soft solutions no hard solutions. Hard solutions ni nzama na we yehu do owo hon. Akasa but soft solutions wo. Ebinye there yesusan ehwe olampa no bebia obon there obakada efuefu bi wo ho. Mangroves, they were the best defense for us against the sea. By yet training na sometimes your roots held the soil together until erosion bumpa ojina ho ntomba but ya clear ni na until say why the awo dana esina ewifo mba na say ebu wo na say ewifo tum obam dam na ya yen until nature na nkasa osando onyim azapon botum ayen omayen natural defenses by hen so hen nyansa dodo until yetwitwa natural defenses ni na until mangroves ni dey if we want to use soft solutions now. You bottom you start deliberately you do mangroves to stop it. But as then there, how are we going to do it? Because impact of a mangroves you do an kakrabana snabase into only pon way to why into only as a second thing in there, instead you basically hard solution. Say share erko itrum na ebon there nsuna wa bena assassin dodo. Nti why we push and here more akwa more or less, they've reclaimed land from the sea. It's honestly another option. They have reclaimed land from the sea. Another soft solution there, be beach nourishment. I'm hearing a ponorifa. It is off beer to bear. Near Zahia for free go. No see another solution. Make the Yawa Holland. They started something they call the sand motto. And see when you there was a ponoritum. Nti as why in the we could say maybe millions of cubic of meters were a punifin fin was bogu the Hague mpano kakrebi no wa me punara spread it wa spread wa one coastline wa ye kesinara lagoons na zin album. And it was a pilot project. They plan to replicate it. Into soft solutioning, new beach areas in Po. Ebon that says, I will to with mangroves, manzama inaya a. Into you can see defense on your hard structures in Kuting. But sometimes in circumstances, it's difficult because it's expensive. Yeah. The initial cost for some of the soft solutions are very expensive. But hard structures in A and one uswa kapim timer. But as a question, soft solutions, overall cost no form. By initial capital cost in all year putting off. And see, as a common for natural water in the sea defense on your and Zama Yum could say, or your hard engineering structures. The bottom you use soft solutions are your bottom mangroves, another yabe create new beachfront areas as we protect you from a. Now there is another one. As be our friend setback lines, and which is the municipal full will be. Instead, there, Yabama structures needs on a punibodin. Ye moving in Penifia Punano.
Wow. Evacuation.
Yes.
Obey you, Papa. Yes. You mentioned mangrove. Mangrove.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In what there, them was a cane and canon, mostly Kubinis one, Kubina and Casapo sea defense.
One Nankasang, yeah, but one yes, also as a and she says no bumper roots no one in the on 2 and uncle. We protected, but with time and Odzas and our neighbor Buko because you're having okay, and the dog way, Obachimi and Papa. Doc, so young Kobakakra, but you na young share Elcasashes and a car, some of the courses. Oh, what about them? Ejumaya about the sea defense. Take us through kakra. What are the causes? Abazinoma, Ubumbe de sea defense. Abazino say, Ponekade, Oyayama, Nsuta, on fire, Yasawa, apart from sun winning. Yes. Now that is an Abazino, one Madame Sami in our. Okay, and see, Ozikan, Eshe, a Kajnan Panin beach now, or a certain profile, Eshe Panon, or a profile bureau. The Osimouse coastal erosion of Bangade, say, a human. A pony yimina. Yanko Pondi way but Nankasa by create profile na for into way you name a webun, or create profile for friend. A bonde, and you know why you're there, walling, or bobegum, and Kakanka Cradamana will create profile for friend. I don't know my coastal erosion about. Into first of all, say yes, and winner. Yes, sir, profiling. And there see no established profile for friend. Into obey root why you're fine. It's only as a correct. Because to the rivers one fine him back. Honestly, he created the Mazan. Okay. Honestly, third, there is a natural protection yanko panzame henina. No so ya azokra on say. And see, basically, these are some of the things. As in nine day, in soon appear and here's a yet nazi. O Sunday, sign your command round comma, or here and tobab shan. And see, and Zamia, o yan, any finning on your summon. Obama yan ring doing. So you mentioned Ahwia, Nakada Butumpo as Ahwia. Yes. What kind of Ahwia? Mpana, because you them Ahwia way and Pana, not sure no young Pana. What kind of Ahwia able to either support me upon why them? Mpana, and I'm proving him for. You know if you are Sassido. Really? If you are Sassido. And see, Maca Holland for one answer. One judges, I guess, what we could see Ahwia fee. Sniffing Finipa, what was a punifin, you know, dredges and outside and Oziba. After Dubai Nazi, Palm Islands, another way, them no way in. I'm here walk a fine way. I don't work Pananka some wicked sign here, no about what's bay. And see, land reclamation is it on a large scale. I'm here no kitchen was assassin, but there, after it is Yamaka. So on your large scales, I know bit time if you assassin, Danka say quick go, and is on your problem. Okay, Doc, here that's see. And see, you're from the why you see defense? Our last spanner. How long? Because I can't continue put in Jay Punch and win here, Pere and here, Papanya, the member had no Benapo was a good apple, Gofuashas or Bow to Cotton. Oh, Manka some Struby, watch it be. Moko school, because you're Moko engineering buffers and the other ones are about to Memoda Moba. Oh, me a Moba. God is a Moba. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Now, when you are the coast, the Bianam coast war. Now, Muffa, one of Machedna, coastal defense, no coastal defense that will be oho. And son will be a far become where no coastal defense. Motion, no coastal defense, Mohuni. And you want to say, well, one more chair there, I made to come. Na, yes, you wouldn't go fast as on, but yes, as an see, as they do protection and Cassa. And there, it's a say, Asher. See defense structure reprap near yezem mbogwana ebo nanka krama no hye finfin wo fra bibi ro kamo akasen na se nsunu bobodo a o break energy ni na montumi yim baba no nko nta akasen yezi good story pa nka krama no hye finfin yakone eke kesna pra nanka krama no wakan epono botumi yi akọ ona any problem nta chede ya access defense nti ehwe fofua wa ye emu da akasen wa hyele was abobọ ma obeye difficult today yes osanda only main defense and Kakraman or Buama structure na ye whole, but a casino will break energy of the water, seeing what way.
Doc Yentio, don't pay general the expertise, the pay environmental impact and Casancasa or Namanzama, yes,
and also
okay, to my hand.
A friend then, Efshe Kustina, in dime, you know, ban on you sarcobum. Says yes, I'm hearing you know, I'm Babanunsa. Mbua utum watna dam environment ahwe su environment wonna wontum wonte na obio nti ozikan endam particular ones bi ho today yesu so nkoto hyehyɛ ahwe mu nti sɛ ahwe na sɛ dam nkoto ni na ye ya ahwe ni fu ahwe na obɔkɔ wonya beebi anko ɔno nya azokor ɔtɔ di bio ahwe ombaba na onye nsuna or create different ecosystem. Nti abama mboa wonyi dam coast npo obotum aba ba hyehyem. Habana enyido to me gina nina nti main thing os ecosystem. Now os ecosystem na chade ebotum ye loose organisms be. Different ones botum aba. Yen papanum na zwo ye apofui me apofo ones in baba ba hyem. Me hunde no kind of way to one if be more one. Or ya azokro here osan wo here landing areas or a beach or a gentle places. Now sea wally or a steep into for boating for sea wall you don't question. Until say you start today sea defense structures hard ones here. As you are in the chade when you man warrior, you say na until on or a socio economic impact and say no more environmental but a quiz or a social. Then if you take the livelihoods of people out, it creates unemployment. Already now it's a problem. So that is the other aspect, other angle. And see, environmental, yes, it's not a as a crossing there, FSC defense structures in Bisa, they affect the water quality, especially the woodlands, Oye Street, Echo, Castle, were from the growing.
Okay, growing.
Yes, growing. And the normal sea wall and riprapping on the coast na on your coast in your fadama, but actually growing na. Why the yesifi assassin to cash up on the mum so yaza amimum me pemo, but on challenges or Sunday what be the long short transport. Nti upon so we roader or transport no on the coast no hundama and to see create structures to the growing or trap and bio. Nti say a build a year and ka growing a best a just there say ye insini year or man su quality no so bad. You so that for tourists as well, but what beaches what do one. It is a quality no affected that they will not into about affecting tourism. And say actually there are rippling effect of Nzama P, but this idea about only actually holistically how we can manage our coastal defense.
Okay. Yeah, Dr. So your final statement man or another question about you need to sit down and look at one way expert, one way engineers. See, if there's such a friend and project a ban pedaye and I obi pedoya now I will consult one because share problem and I will consult one what it's one because says here and most there most ubi kofu complain there azina wayen or ho one kakra consultation consider and I will be answer and I will so me pedame ye see defend because me pedam bon ban so so ma bibi opedian will be say so.
I don't want to be mistaken, but I think that this current sea defense project are World Bank funded.
Exactly.
Yes. I don't know the consultations or Chrome. And see, I can't speak to that. But project of that skills, or where consultation. The way environmental impact assessment, what's your environmental aspect, what's your socio-economic aspect, and possibly find.
Government Joanna say TV na ibi Anna I think this one is where is it Elmina or Commander?
Okay, Commander so say
yes, another one is Commander so
Commander.
Yes, and say doctor to the mom.
And see what your environmental impact assessment now. What your as a bayan Nelson Sondo environment and what is the urban nimpan water around the nina. And see, I don't think the project of this nature one year the mazan or by but as to the mitigating factors was it to why orange home crofton on the minimum how well why we implemented. Yes.
Doc Yadasi. And see, obviously in yan attitude, yan character, yan mentality, yan mindset. Ona the climate change na ba na one way painful or ya natural that memory to be bia basasana will do them and I yankasa na yama azin wa bantama na nanche on by han yama waba.
That's baby. Climate change is esha yan fan de yan yes science or bakacho da assassin be some millions of years non to them was no we do them into climate change na ze ya in there or ya baba but yankasa an attitude or kan wama we speed up processing problem nyen. But if you want so what margin speed up in Kenyan Zimpun Kayan Kaon. If you greenhouse gas emissions now, yen the foam crans on your hand countries are African generally. If I'm not mistaken, yen contribution to greenhouse gases, I don't think it's up to 5%.
Really?
Yes. We are one of the poorest in the problem by hands in your face in the case. Don't know why. It's not really a man-made problem, but humans speed up. You serve as catalyst for processing more content.
I see. And doc, namely, be so I can't be the environmental problem or the deforestation and the many or the means the many other. And so, not just Yima in Suto. Galamse na di Okambi. And
funny thing, deforestation, say all things being equal, say deforestation here, a chada sense subu border erosion yamo, into corridor transport and people.
Exactly.
But Yankasa and Zamayai and Tidagalamse, Unsnarom Bampo, there is no continuum a year baba. Obaba sa as a yayan inti, I hear a punihian omba, Zorban, ehu niflo near low. What very be the competence. River no new competence or carry particles like a saba. Light ones now, no share, and sooner bana, name na sen. In Katan a wild friend soon, Mamma soon in your ear, Basabasan. Back as no yin here one partner, says your back. Yasenina. And see,
and then improper friend then dumping of refuse, a compound na. Polythene bags na numu sachet water na numu oil bottled is everywhere.
In fact, I made some of my students work on this pollution thing.
Okay.
Sometimes it has no direct impact on coastal erosion.
Okay.
But it has direct impact on the quality of the marine life. Okay. Plastics na is going, and I'm worried even more with chokumpo. So they die. So we are more or less depleting the fish stock. If you have plastics, you choke one or one as a yes. Pollution are a big problem. Aside the marine life and Cape Coast, yan coastlines, they are tourism hotspots. And to say if we dirty them like that, we are virtually sucking the tourism on by beaches. It becomes a place that for Subiamba. But they are one of the most economically viable places all we are say, coastal areas. And see, I think we should do more to help our coastal areas generate more revenue for the country.
So obviously there are positives and there are negatives.
Yes.
They must see, if I remember one of the 2 another 3B positives and negatives, number 1, about how see defense and about how one hour to 1 hour we use it. What's the end? Number 2. Even a punanka support about affecting because we maybe or Obama soon color as a son of the Minimana. It's one of our engineers see Uhundama. Soon I say away, assassinating I say away. How do you feel?
Oh, be what you, but there is very little we can do. You complain and you complain. say CCTU, yeah. Civil student, there is an elective course on coastal engineering. Okay. Yes, so what do I mean? One company with their own naked eyes, the problems that are taking place along the coast, so that they appreciate it. One or by infrastructural engineers are able to see the coast. So we say we want the mazis on ye, but problem there. There is very little we can do. We can only complain. We just have to sensitize people. Well, the more years on ye, I'm away too. Or
okay. I hire Coastal TV, your own face, your own way. Doctor, that's it. A butcher and way by a banner's conversation is maybe we can number 1 year, 2 years at Chedo. Ye die and way about Yaba. About told you now, yan dog, yan attraction, competition, and do not as a conversation. I be in a crow on so, ya son years at Chedamo. We are 9 pay a boko or ye join news, near cover news file. Yes, abroad. I hire Coastal TV. Your own face, your own voice. Yerbe says here.
Middle, you're not Biana. I'm for you have a bit soon every time I just say baby shit. Mangashi.
I'm sense when I for maybe the no.
Sister Coos pa. It's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My why.
Down yankana wa.
Sister Coos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
Start TV, you may differ that by to MPONTU. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. MPONTU summer offer capos, baby will be a MPONTU summer offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Saturday or the MPONTU, or the baby on the Yadin Fuban over Tanasi. We are no what the man. Or your one and asadi, those in MPONTU Baba capos. One and asadi, those in MPONTU Baba Central Region. One and asadi, those in MPONTU or Baba Ghana in Nara. MPONTU summer offer capos, baby will be a MPONTU summer offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Saturday or the MPONTU, or the baby. A and the P and a batinasi, women down of Piara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
Okay, so my answer so Yamawa Kwababio, Eba Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. Impact of oil sea defense, the coastal areas. Yanum panon na no pay. Yedzi hunko mo kakra. Yedzi chiwo baby biara. Ewo biara nde anope. Yanyi oil engineer doctor Gabriel Jonathan Eminsa. Ono yanyi ne twetwe nkomo nde anope. Na yanyi na twetwe nkomo kakra. Yebasanso yakọ. Na yakọ hwe videos kakra, documentary kakra. Yeba na yanyi do kewie na yeji ankwan ma okọ nti yanko na yanko hwe documentary kakra ya ba offer sea defense ho henu anu ma pofofon complain na worry henu anu ma pofofon nsama na wokeka o chede orho hon kakra nkra nyeme bi ho a sea defense no waya ombo hon but ye be blame ho na yanka so yitu galam se yo eka ho bi sawo na etutu anhwe no eka ho bi nche maka chi abande nche obeye ya wonko bebi a wo sidani bia wo Ghana ha especially the coastal areas eko na impako no mpano ahwe no di sidana dok ode yeso no anamba
ono ayin
ode yeso no se mpano ahwe no bia yenyim da sesi a wa ban san winning nti se eko bebi na se mpano ahwe no business no dana wo mbi se nda okonya mpano ahwe no wo he nka no ze mpano ahwe ze nyi problem yekwa na yeketi na de blocks na yezeko yekwa na yeketi na de blocks na yereko ona yedi bibia basisi a the mazna ya yemfipi na nde ano affect yan ana doc cheche ni nyinam or the chain production say video na ya ready a yebotumi yakọ na yakɔ na yakɔhwɛ kakra na yaba yɛba na yɛnyi dɔk ewie nkɔmɔtwetwem.
Coastal TV, Jimmy for Yada by Yatum in Puntu. It's about development. They discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. In Puntu Sama offer Capus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade, or in Puntu, or the baby on the Yadin Fubana Batanasi. We are no other man. Or your one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Capus, one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Central Region, one and Asadi. So in Puntu or Baba Gani Minara. In Puntu Sama offer Capus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade, or in Puntu, or the baby. A and a P, and a Batanasi, women down of Pediara. Live Ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
As papa, but answer never quite a video naban. Yenum been watching Facebook, Coastal TV, Facebook Live, watch your YouTube and so and see Butunso ako YouTube, na and live or apart from that, TV now so su them in Butuma shower. Is there why or what do you make of this sea defense construction in the coastal areas? Doc, what can be and see also the sea defense was great project due to disaster and fishing can be done properly without without it. Okay, manana no comment on my so also thank you for educating us. They have educated the public, especially those in the coastal areas. No, so yeah, another message here. Here, Emmanuel Bafo, not the bay. There's another one says the sea defense was great project due to natural disaster and fishing can be done. No, so hands here that's it. Echo Facebook and we are live. Echo YouTube we are live. And some TV now so number or I is able to go now also say pede friend a contributor quickly na akona also as you contributions aba a producer sends the number about to say here na yetumi ya hwe 0508 206 846 0508 206 846 and see what about to do now yetumi ya hwe producer say why ready ayenko na yenko hwe kakra na yemra ayeba na yaba for course kakra na ye jedok kan moko but your high Coastal TV your own face your own voice yenko hwemra
Ebushama mu akwaba mu atrase mu Coastal Television no de geta no ya 514 channel 54 ye go TV do channel 22 ada de geta boss biara aka empempem me you ka say media commander awo kayiye abato poshodo commander ye for crow na yɛrehwɛ sea defense a impemfu yɛ de bo a afaru krowa ɔwɔ yɛ no kwado yɛ no mpa no nyinaa sɛ wobɛka ya dani ikupe mu ɔyɛ bantoma wɔkyerɛ wɔn adwen fa ɔyɛ sea defense no wɔn bo a ɔda bo wɔn ikupe mu ɔduakɔ abɛkam wɔn sɛ bi dɛ sea defense na mo wɔn koraa na yaba yɛ bi pɛ mu commander sea defense ni bi wɔ ha yaboko na yi ejanum enanom afafan afadom na bon ko be bisawon and sea defense waboboa
wan be mu ona ko so ahwa na ye gama ha maga so ba hanga kama no ntu ye won hwe ama ye ble angasa si mbo ibi o hante o bo na wo be mo me na ya wote me ha afafu
wo be ma pere wo be mo da nko benkum anan yifa
he na he ati wutu abe mu akọ na no wutu mu ati mu akọ so o woni butu ye mbo je
know what? I don't know. I'm going to much. So I'm going to walk by any. I had you be more bim, no with you. Damn, no money.
So why is Sampara?
What you
see the fence? No, what's it? I'm
going to oh, there, Uncle Bunino Bim, not to any for. Na we kwan hamakasin we kwan ahim sisi no siwa ni lisu aisha hwa si hamakasin mutum amba ama po sechibe ma amu wai wo hwa yiye se hamagudu elmina capos no we gina ho ani we gina ho mutum amba hamugu epo afakasa wa aka se beji na chiwo si difference no ambo e kwa anso ya sawan ya sai aban and yo ya saban amo madina amo bebe me won fa pu won trem am ha me we ko ma ba ha me ka sia commander ya ka commander afan ne papa commander ha me ka sia commander wo nso mo madina mu tu si defense won fa pu no me ma hen ejanum enanum afadom a wo oye commander wo ka wo chirim wa ya afadum na chiriye wo si defense no wa ya amon so apara na so wa mwa papa ma yem bon kobo si defense ehun na
so yewe Dutch commander so ya ble apolisache obedama albifie onwa albifie ntawo so won hwe omo hwe na uhu da waya wo hwe ontia na hu de waya abeyi aman so ya nwate we asasi yakoro no do nso chede asasi won so che we de da aboko a awula ahwe skantana akede no
mami awu eton oye insu eton drinki yamon komo ya hye ejanum afadom mone apoya sesere wa ma ya tasere nyama kasiri na woba no wokwadna nti wa ma egodi mpo nsada onkodo papa wo oye komenda mpa na ha ye bi sa awu eton ade otere
mpocho no kwa ejedi no nko ye kura because of sea defense the way wa ayen yetere Ghana aban de won brem mpanyimfo ne mbrem na won bayi eyini mfiho won fama hen na won be mu fama hen ane dampo nya me nkoten yanka nya ma oboboy wa ha no odosu na da me costo na wa yesi ho no so won bayi mfuo so wode ye patempo man na ye to na ade na anka ye gidi de obobo hen nti ye sra wona
da damla na kanu da mana timonwa no mu akan na da mana oti mejina he mi obi a mutu abobo ya nso meka no kola anapa ni nsia besisi sala mekese minya skadu 20 cities meja obo ya bisi empo mebada medemetema aso mebada because of the ha mebia lamba ha ya no commander ha mafu wobble almost 5000 wobble nso anwu ya no usumu ba no oboko puma wokwa mbia wamba senti na waba ha wonye bebia woja ha ma no botu aye mistake so a ajiwa ha mabokwa akase wo yanko ne di na je kawaba ntunu ni na no onboa amani mufi wo ma muntu kwanu kwa bebia alo ko ya na wo ma mesisi ala modu mpanyin breda amaka da maso mo babla me abofo ba kaka ba mpo na fe kwanda do pa choyi aya so popo wofa
senti oben
senti na eya ma puno amani mudu kaka wofa amana nye bebi fungu na edika so ahwempa na sachinu gbara no gudando sama mu komi jadora ay me mesta nka kaka na masa ahwe obaka ugba na so ya ye kompe na ya ni bi amambo hen ani yugudu nka kaka da ma na city first na so won masa ajo ha maka sheba ha maka so adabati na nufin otoi sachinu ba na jabo shuru aba jabo shuru bebi ojo city first na ro ojo to afanto eti wa ma ya dene insuro nsache manu mudala ugbara na ase fi
nti awu no wususu tere si defense ntain funa no wodo to na
si defense no na no ajo ka de coastal we si we you know bakado anga se asisha ha na we ngo bebi a asisha na no ho na oda awon odi nti se asisha ke sa na yiko kutu a apofu ko manira aka ho ani yeko bompa ni twei ya tutenso no so oda sintina anu suraba anemu na okwo amba this is why the waja gumbara lugu be na no anu waja aye no bokasur nti wa mesisa no nko ni masa aya ho chime papa nti so ojo to be me question ni sira akaba ya ho to anu sunu so utum abem kase nti am alukwo so utum du ahwe na ojukwo the mesim wa chi ade no sise be weye o ya wa yesaso ni ya wa ya ahwe ebe apoturu keke bi aja amaru kwara ojira ka ntumu ko bekem sa ko bakara de bumu da awo ya wa ya ahwe ngote siso de ko be mo bi sire ni mu aha
nti membe sa abra ansana asasina wo ba ya si defense hotel man ana wanyu hia yetina fom cha hu djuma wo ba ya ma wo so wo cha hu na ajina na
mari bi sa da bara ti I had that for but what I don't know tree about it's a gas of walk for no. In your, they didn't say more for a no for ya. It's in pay for no, no time in there. I said, your cost was your cost was already. I quite testament. Yes, sir. All over Bacassum, there, would you ask some local? No, I quite work. Better to use no way you are. Master, what better way you are? It's any of the but was our amount. Any way you do, and papers why wadi. That's why I may have quite against your gam. And I wonder what you know your children.
Into Sessiano, one the saying that Assembly Potipana.
Yeah, that's the kind there. But can now be better over control. Question would you know you don't get the name? They are one time.
Yeah, that's it. It's a papa, sister, one show the American, my in warfare king, one so what this year for Doman, I bear Jama, and Penfu said I'm getting one into the Mia Wabi, Ebenezer America.
Asamba kanda asama munion wa kan da banet ayan yo asile commander na kanka yina kuti dei na musa waye bibi wa ha na se kanka fu ne yakone yakakade oh mo waye abaya ho kira man yina la ana wasu kanka fu yabaya yankose de nsi ayedama ane anu kuna su nsi ma wada yajanka yaji tumna ne yaji ya no ane yintumi ya de yan nsi ade no waye no ha no wa ka onye na nkasa wa ka onwa so komandafuna enye ka ka asem cha wona wan pin no nti sisa damadi wa ye waja mahiri o bo madina na mpenifuno odwo no wubutu na mo moye ni ye waje adira waje man asira anya ma wo no anya ama kakraba say yi be da simpa fima efi simpa be ya be bia ni wa anya ma wo sin aha wow na so anam de wafo bana waje ninti ebiri di gudina ebiri gu ni di gu ya ekwawi gana ni bebia aha ya ama yedina ugwa sese bebi matanga sese bebi matanga fu yujuri kakaya we ana woba obi pian na san wa atwa ya ama na to bebi a woba ya wan ama ebi pere penti ni ama hu ihe bebi a yedina penti ni ama hu wati anyo wa ina so je yedina waje ko wa ma apuno wa sia do yintum yaye ya ho hwe nti yasra mo ya no wombra no womaya ni yei no fa maya na yaso ya dra yiya ahum ya fa ya dra ya fa ntra ha
so onenyi asama orkodo sesia ewo hemfa commander si defense ni bi ho papa nanso obaka de mpanyimfuna wo baya azin wanje hona adwenkyira nka ho nti wama nsampi na wesi telephone number na ogu tv no dun sapede eka bibia ebotum afrese sia na yete wonzi ya dwendwen oye sea defense our in coastal areas the impact positive and negative impact na no pay yerhwe na no pay Dr. Engineer Gabriel Jonathan Eminsa ana here guest and pay you need to train come nti bebia wo bia no aha ye Coastal TV your own face your own voice ebotu my friend 0508 206 846 0508 206 846 na wo so na pede kan na aka na yetiu pocho say fra na ma edumu TV ni volume anama wakofom kra ansa na ahwe na bibia nso wakode doc.
Yes, sir.
You it's like negatively the thing is affecting them. I don't know. Maybe can't count.
Oh, asamna na can. What's the can? Project of that nature. I think that it's important the local snap projects and benefit one. They will buy into the idea. Actually, normal community what they in general. Actually, more the why in says yeah. What my community contributor we don't or young kasa waza. As I buy they are dissociated from it. They will always have issues with it. I think for the design if they had taken their inputter, maybe they would have tweaked it in a different way, way suit one. Since why that one come, they will always have issues with it. That's the thing. But I understand their problem. Having a lagoon, what try to will protect in 1 year or affect one. It affects them negatively. Now the McCain. Socio-economic impact in the work and once says America's want to withdraw work well mina it's affecting them. Yes, so But as I or many one year, you know, won't project see the first.
And what's your
I know bias and mom.
Offer you were telling me you do about you baby why you be or but most why and do baby ness or hona or two why and who had the kakra. But my eye and why don't you show you
just or say is that the ashes here by but the most impens the madam.
And that is my internet initial and maybe so there. If there's enough consultation crowd because most would way and abroach you there, yen demi. Na odu baby na ye ho chie na yetum ya yendemi.
Yes.
Na onye head ya in fixed. It's like nsunu re ho hen. Inyanka sotin ye course man nsunu ye nti ye block nsunu kra forever and ever.
That's the thing. Solutions, there are stopgap measures. There are temporary solutions, there are long-term solutions. The says our FBB sustainability. Yeah, sustainability. Sustainability no only engineering and cutting, but livelihoods of the people. As a sustainable solution to something. And there's impact over a chimbanodo. Says a been a work company the project and it's having a negative impact on them. It means that it's not sustainable. Projecting is sustainable to them economically.
Dr. General call we need to heed to their call.
Oh no, yeah, some for yeah, some idea can for
some for. But just I share na high Costa TV. Maybe will be our Facebook, your echo YouTuber, your Costa TV, YouTube, Costa TV, Facebook. And I share with TV na so no do. Bibianso or Koye. Yanyi Dr. Oye Gabriel Jonathan, Oye Eminsa. And engineers on the Yanijuma on chairs in Comatrunia baby and say ready ever fra na afra na yetumiako. Doc and see Nina Mayakin a born tougher than Adamahen.
Oh, Zamakanya there, sea defense in its current state, it has benefits for us. But in the same way now, so there are negative impacts of the sea defense. And see discussion, yeah, they as a tuning now to tune.
Doc and see positive and negative in impacts in Mohen or Dawson.
O depend will be
okay.
If will be all property or cost now. Since you sea defense structure now, sea defense in Abano or protecting it. Obagin the no matter. Fisherman sir own sinner than what costing my own here protection from a since you asset a livelihood. So also above it's negative. So it depends on Ibiorkasan. Yes. So normally, we are sure that environmental impact. There are different categories of people, and there should be an easy. Now, the best thing or fit will be see. That's how best normally we do it. Yeah.
I'll come back now. My general advice, but I mean, so you should Costa area. But if you keep Costa here, look at the kind of project the coastal area from Yamfana Castella, Basinco almost to Elmina.
Yes.
Look and individuals are a project or by any way about fact then costa nyamanyama
actually structures no wusina and that they are temporary structures. They are not supposed to be permanent. My mention down should be honest, but I've taken time to look at several of them. And I had the opportunity to be in a meeting with some of the municipal special planning AEFO. Also, what's in there is because people were not keeping the coast area neat. They were defecating. Let me be blunt. They were defecating. But once those structures come, or stop one from defecating, and it keeps our place neat. And see, only the first thing. But as to the main structure, impact is obenyebi. On the moment obenyebi. Ekwa ibi owa washed that way try no was rubber anata says well. You've changed the face of the coast. Adam McCain coasting. It will always want to establish a certain profile. It's a damapra problem they create. Yes.
That's Papa Engineer Dr. Gabriel Jonathan Eminsa. Doc, finally, any advice for us?
I think the major issue in the project to be locals and they should buy into the project. It's very important. A lot of times it's to their benefit, but when buy into it, they have a different idea there. As no baby was and see, it's very, very important to all buy into the idea. And with the structures in Ankasa, there are benefits, but also share options and available alternatives and engineering part today will be pedosi than me 2-bedroom house. 2-bedroom house and on Chade 2-bedroom house be the same. There are alternatives and see which alternative will best suit the current situation. nti dam suna ya de yehwe meta se de hen abanim paying fund. It's a World Bank funded project. They may have brought a consultant DBR, so they didn't have a say in it that much, but we should try and stick to things that would benefit our people. Okay. You know what complaining.
Yeah.
Let's see, we should look at that.
Doctor, engineer, Gabriel Jonathan, Eminsa, Moba. God is a Moba. We National Science and Maths quiz. We defend that account.
Next year, best name.
Oh, really?
Next year, 150th anniversary, we win account. Then continue winning.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
We are grateful for your presence at Costa TV. Yeah, that's it. All the best.
Oh,
yes, quickly.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want to take the opportunity to send greetings to the management of Cape Coast Technical University, where I take my daily bread from. My students, they are returning to school today.
Yes.
And see, Yamona Kwaba, when we hope that they will be good students. No, we see Azama Magana in the near future.
Yeah, that's it, Papa. The most doctor can, I was a lecturer or CCT or Cape Coast Technical University. Yes, the doctor in common basis. You share the state of the state and impact of our sea defense or in coastal areas, negatives and then positives. And an open years in as a brown. You die and we are says Yaba. Yaboko na Yakotiado with my 25th anniversary. I 18 years. Seahorse oboboso masi ewo viscot yeba yanyimisa hupa but yankomo twetwenedo kaida no nkono pepepe yebako back to oye joy news na yakofa news file so yezi abro and pay Malik Ramzy yada yan we abesetia. Thank you.
Mido gana biana I'm going to be able to do everything. I'm going to say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for me, dear. No.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. Why?
Down Yankana wa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
Let me see your hand.
Costa TV, Jumedi Fufraya by Yatunde MPONTU. It's about development. They discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. MPONTU Sama offer Cape Coast. Baby will be a MPONTU Sama offer. Or your one and Sadi, there or Sade or the MPONTU, or the baby on the Yedin in Fubana over Trans. We are no other man. Or your one and Sadi, those in MPONTU Baba Cape Coast. One and Sadi, those in MPONTU Baba Central Region. One and Sadi, those in MPONTU or Baba Ghana in Nara. MPONTU Sama offer Cape Coast. Baby will be a MPONTU Sama offer. Or your one and Sadi. There or Saturday or the MPONTU or the baby in the P and a batinasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever Costa TV. Costa TV, your own face, your own voice.
And see, my son Yamawa Chibio na Yamawa Kwaba. Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Yeah, that's papa. Yeja doc kwanmoko. You share the impact of your sea defense in coastal areas and the state. Nkofu pin will complain, but no problem. MPONTU ne yegudu ayezebrewi. Emraso the man kasa zomo hu shembi Malik Ramzy. TV doing radio do ya yedwuma na cha 25 years. Nti ya start anniversary kakra yezi. But ahyesin ye chance ya pe na yenuanom Seahorse for obey na obusumu de oh yeboboa na yitum ya yema one version so why fine nti okrodo ewo ye Vix court our interbeting road yado another paid road yado or Thursday ya otwemi quickly me pede ye hweka kra okrodo ho ye ba na yen lubricant expert Mr. Hooper itum ya yina atwetwe nkomo ho na wa mahen ho product abo product na wo himfa na yebenya bi wo yeda no wo so Malik Ramzy no mu da obobo na wetum with the anniversary ni nyina ye botwetwe nkomo na no pay nti yenda ye won yankwohwe ka krokro do that Friday Thursday night yeba yebotia do
Ramzy. There Orban, what's in there? Behind a successful man, there is what? There is what? Behind any successful man, there is a woman. Into Obadi or what I don't have to say, when you drop one with your crowd, or how when I is when it's war. Into Yama Wash and so Orban, Yabaro in back. Ovejinaha, Russian, you know, okay. Wash and so on. It is a young night to the my efforts and work as it.
Thank you. Mr. Upa, what can you know about Kakam to become one day? They was okay. 25. You did a chance if you know what. I remember somewhere in 1999. Yes, I said Kakaka. So 2000. And I just started to radio back at our University of Texas. So yes, I watched Papa by 7 years. If you want, and I have pro, yes, FM Sukaka, and then keep a paper for so over from a keep a paper. So we will keep a paper with the number of school Kaka. We use school, we have a national service at our University of Campus Library. So we also another opportunity came TV3 from when you go back and I want to when you go back and then the play do, Papa President, also by also in Mokonkan, and also in Mokonkan. See, that's the journey. For the past we spent about 3 years. Campus has a human casino in Iowa. Accra spent about from 2018 to 2023 and 2025. And see, Jenny Nakakaina, you do baby no day before. Now, you pay for never to do fee. And see, you do fee 25 February, no contacting paying for the Damana Maya, Mayor President, Mayor tell you speak. Research kaka, survey kaka, na mobile driver for catch and I would say driver for your friend. Na Mamia kakra with the driver for a car with a mechanics. Why you jumabu? But I do Ohio wanted to want him kaka, who be a horse in a car. And I'm a wakala, fitting once I pay me, who was a master. Your friend, warrior once, over kind as a summer. We need type of oil we use for the car. Car should not buy it. Dog Baba, Nana say I want to engine 20,000 because if you will hook on over for that, although your papa and I be before it's an obanda. And see the journey so far. To me, you want to say, I'm saying, the pedal drivers, many car owners, some of the mechanics, me only share na car no buy it. Kakra was one and one so yambra. Today is going to be very practical. Ebetiti kakra, yano kakra, iwia. Ubi otina habi ha wakani. Ubia ubi. Na yasha kwana. Nisa upa na hoi expert. Papa. Ano peno kacha mde. Ubi otina habi ha one show by force na sabi. Kafasi oil. For ukam. That's not the purpose we are here. Yawa hada is oil pia using piano. Ubachi wakwa never for them to be using. Na wabo wakasa. Na wabo wakasa ako. It's you have to don't let lubricant and oil mistakes cost you because then the other can Opruno, Okwich, engine of wheels on I kai, to them, no Namadu, Monday Shaway, Madam Winasi, our by her papa. Thank you so much. Well, Madam, okay, so sorry. Yeah, dying brain. We really celebrated the 25 years anniversary. Kofupi when you they were there. Mr. Upa was show no recording. You be more crowd kakranka. Idem when you na so yitum yazi achira one. Nti mama Mr. Upa kwa. Mr. Upa, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adum.
Here that since today ya say shebi you.
Yeah, here that.
Okay, so Indian come 25 years. Mama can be a marking we and Sunday about seahorse of Honodo.
You was in canon. You better Cape Coast drivers, mechanics, car owners. You better when you say they are two suffer one and when you was a dog board dome or bay me z then my and you saw. Ma you need a Cape Coast for door or seahorse until you shoot tompono one name obey. My henna is each man more boom. Now, seahorse, yende that young there. You bet Kodo I educate drivers, mechanics, na car owners. And my one car what they share transport business mono. We too when you want as a back. Until Kakre work on the you na. When you start doing the research iron on your seahorse, your main purpose ebo a brand yes okay. You have a bobo and your motinkwa na yes or then so the queen na more now with our swing there you put my reach out be and my drivers mechanics no ye cowness will benefit from one investment a wire. And madam went to oba drivers in a car owners went when they driving a car mechanic wire overhauled area another way change ubinica another why ubinica which may we Nankasano on Jinunzi driving in the call another car and no call pet in the machine. The margin the epid of fuel. Nina the right way of using oil no they bring this part of the world no so Nipanu Koshi Juma. Oh, why the power to engine Nadinia washes, but urban oil choosing now one mistakes no.
Okay, Mabana, you choose oil, Papa. First of all, Maso Madawasi, and a company, but if there at the company is the Kakra as a train or friend and then Abadzina wire for him from Gakrama and say, okay, company no mother company here, Rekpat Loop Manufacturing Company. Rekpat Loop Manufacturing Company. Rekpat in here or Patrick Amwa. Okay. Company no director no. Okay. Friend Patrick Amwa of his central region. The Fosu asin in your brim. Okay. In the factory you see central region as Asado or Akuti. Afi Rekpat Loop Manufacturing Company. One producers of seahorse. And yes, he also want to produce. Bia or bia PBI, why you produce some. Only provided they go Google or Mamo. But seahorse and you one main oiler you produce edible system. Now your system more than 20 years. For about 6 years in a crack. But you won't there say oil no be do her quality wise no. If you are on specs no, they pay them grade. What the bubble. But base oil na there we use what they you know. Abrofo na ya na onyim there Africans dey yenyim nyoma bebre. Nti one kasa was one discretion but yen no na pay quality at the maximum level. Nti ye pen there ye be ye factory no ha. Ama say additives na yedi gumo no. Say yedi guma say 7% na additive manufacturing say for gum na meat dam standard there it is 7% ni nya gum. And nti na ye the company ni ba ha. Yabasi company. Yeah, that's a papa panty. Oh yeah, Mr. Hooper, and a unit to come on a lubricant expert. MPONTU Jimazini, and see one of so much my year 2 years or year 25th anniversary. Ashasana Yemi, it's going to be Ibiba baby or nay to me at your Dunamos or Cassie, the honors and because of product in invited drivers, some of the mechanics, and then the car owners, the Wombra, Nayin Dizika Kanayanum Kaka, Nayan in Siadi, and it was successful. It was very practical, and then BBA. And so, what are some of the products or market says here?
Says here no. synthetics no you was 0W20 your 5W20 your 5W30 your 15W40 your 540 so your 1040 na afi eba semi synthetic no so a your 15W40 ewo ho na eba mineral no mineral so your 15W40 CI4 15W40 CF4 na your 20W40 semi synthetic ewo na your 20W40 mineral na your SAE50 afi your product bi so your friend AD Blue yes also produce automatic transmission fluid WS type 4 you will be or and afi so yes modern gear oil for manual gears 85W90 and 85W140 and so on afi so you HD68 hydraulic you HD68 so on and azokra mepede cowness na mechanics special so power steering your power steering bi wo a system no ma wa chon ATF type A no en qualify women for ngu modern cars nti abasre de don hwehwe seahorse power steering no fungum afi obia o use 530 bi use na to seahorse 530 a nya hoto so where bo difference wo ka no eto yen 540 0W20 abazio ni nyina ebo difference wo ka no ne yeboko ewie no so me no ma batugwa bibia ehia wo concerning oil eframa menyo be share
okay so ehwe TV no da kakra okrodo so pa product no sister one so pa the need fe of the share yes so and say what have ya okrodo fe damara oye eyewoda we twam de koi Vix Court Cape Coast here and May 25th anniversary and using Seahorse for Ripart lubricant manufacturing company also hemuma bibia so okrodo fancy and baby what time on street maybe baba somewhere in March you be invite one kasa suma baby na show me bibia so akodona wakoyi amen so so paka cha the company la Usik Central region opinala honor kasa say here Mr. Patrick
Amor.
Yes, Amor. Honor kasa says here. Nyina fan director. Or was this huni kasa papa the central region and the whole Ghana as well as the whole world. Product Mr. Opa, some of the share an experience yesterday. But they share with us the Mercanda product in central region no nya Ghana but international product. Tell us the experience that will be catcher when you took this particular product, some of them to America.
Hope Foundation or Elmina Junction.
Okay.
Yaba Expo. That was the second Expo. No. Yaba no be. Nti oba no be say some questions. Na me chechere no oil no difference o ni nyina mu. Nti ewie no na otobi. Wan kan chem do ka test. No koto other product, other brand so. Ni nya the same because oil no say pede a tester or they testing with the same grades.
Okay.
Say eto inize 15W40 CF4 other company B so ekoto ni CF4 15W40 company C so eto them nti dam na ototo bebre na yen so na ye Hadex ye kraba hen so agent o Ghana ha na S7 oil so hen oto ni nyina bi na odokoi minyim bodo odokoi America nti mo ha no from no kachem de Mr. Opa me pede me meet you oil brain fita me pede me meet you na me so bibia no so me pede me ba one factory ho na me so no problem ebetuma about so pede oba excursion oya obi a ochre nkofo ade no we servicing so on shop ho no kind of pro onye nkofo no ba hien factory ho to na me so okay nti ye arrangement no one wode won car wo be to wo be no so enyo ne ye education e chechiro on oil ni nyina me enyo call around throughout the year nyina no na seahorse we can join from A to Z bibia na apart from raw material base oil na chemicals na ye kra no yan bottles na you using bo yan na etwa yan na de wo factory ho bibia yan na ye apart from raw materials na ye to ye krama what the system senyame adum poma tema we start production refinery na to base oil outside to base oil no only ato chemicals no outside okay nti oba no ye wie bibia na ye wie no so o assembly opedo o kachirem I'm so okay no o yi certificates or the chirem nto yi certificate ni actually okwa America no or the hen product no echo lab, no one test man. There's nothing wrong with it. Into what testing no? The same grade, you know, seahorse no lady.
Wow.
Seahorse no lady. Into Oma Onya, I shame or seahorse do. Now, Obagana was started to all use. Because also them quality na you produce, you know. So also the same quality wo America no boys and pa. Yes. Okay. Into only you meet world standard. The me boss na you need no. Ono ni bibia no open standard. Etum kra e bia filter simple. Quality e kada wan yan so wan yan dama oba otum me se filters ni nyina. So 5 containers for me ase ni nyina. Meanwhile, there are other filters even them filter quality no was also no. Yeah, them quality na. Okay. Nti ono no nyo wo until opera o me the factory no be see. Cape Coast.
Yeah, that's Papa. Costa TV, your own face.
Bring not now one.
Okay, bring not now one. Yes. Bring not now one. We're in education company. America bring. What we do or the oil is America no crew quality, high standard. Zopa. So gradually, what's the way forward for the company?
Company need the and Ghana continue beyond Ghana. Because your pede product no or rich BBA for the time being Kofufi Ivory Coast betobi what the call one service Ivory Coast casting oba what to be what there Ghana haso Kumasi Accra Takrade Tamale Sunyane Techiman Cape Coast bebia across Ghana no you know you only be obia is no one so using in so what's the advance there the quality is very good. But me here in there, use the right grade at the right time for the right purpose.
Use the right grade at the right time for the right purpose. The most in the music I can. Obi oha, obi use to seahorse. But when you corner what for that we're using. Until you see now one can or feed on your pepebia.
Yes, Intina, the madi, into there say Yakata Biambrano. Mechanics and what by a children on the overhaul that use them grady for gum. A canny new waba use them grady for gum. So can why you go hack a cry use them grady. And now there's a war mechanics on stream there. Some of the one brand Shamakana mean to men's no. Separate a swift about the other no macan oil accompanied by grades. In this order. Edi bisaw there na aba brand do na aba grade na use most of the drivers, most of the mechanics, most of the car owners wenyim grade mpa we use no nti bon there yehu awo ebo gallon chempe minim grade no market okay say you move akosi hoso da use them grade you not have any problem because if you be of a lower grade pa no aba higher grade to synthetic be of a mineral to be of monograde no about synthetic, fully synthetic to ebenya problem. Okay. It said the minimum ye chere mechanics no. I must was moving croffer we the right place are all there when you nimpan ejina. And that's when it comes to us that they call me to offer money I share ideas.
You remember as the number to go and sign a copy. Pocho you die and we have says ya ba yabaji Mr. Hooper and the final words na ye jumazini ya zabawe. Ya high Costa TV. Your own face, your own voice. Yerbe says ya kaide National Petroleum Authority. One so ka ho ayeze dwumadi yeze bro. Yeda ya wa says ya.
Mido, you not be ana. Oko fa jebi wi aba besu en fita no pa e kan se baby she. Manga shi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Coast pa. It's a gas.
I'm using the why. Why?
Down yankana wa.
Sister Coast. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
Let me see your hand.
Yeah, there was today good Costa TV, your own face, your own voice. Jumeza ya tunzin impuntu na memenda no pebia 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Itum years a bro. Ntenda no peso the most yitu na moye kwhwe the state and the impact of oil sea defense in our coastal areas. Yidzi ho nkomo kakra na yebo wi na May 25th anniversary in broadcasting so yenyi seahorse fa oboso mu ma celebration ya hyase fefefe yeboko finfini yetum yewie so fefefe aka ho na yedzi ho nkomo kakra Mr. Upa wa ha medansa nan mokwane nchen na bibi kakra baka check kusufo na yejan kwan emewetum akọ zoba ti ebeje kwan makọ ebedim be kakra okep kursa ayada se papa wodwuma dos wona do konsowa ntano pay kakra baka che hen na advice go heza ma hen na yeje kwan
yo and pay kakra meka yin de yeda kep kus fu nyina ase yeda obia use seahorse one won use seahorse one wo bay me me focus there use seahorse nkotia na menyo be free me pede me hu oil nkofo du ku kama ede ne yakọ ahwefo no ehu China car no the SAE 40 na egum me nankasa gogole there ombisa car no wa won wo manufacturers in there aba oil no do egum obo chen fully synthetic 15W40 nti the mean no che there wo car no on chema okay number ebia bi pede onyem kasa fa na yi ho a 0244 577 559 0244 577 559 say nyen kasa from na say ehu hiempo de or there you meet one on one ya baba ya de medwuma bebre ama so many companies transport companies enyo enyo 2M Express you know you no use nte no wash one t-shirt blue bi bro 2M Express stroke seahorse yes one car nya ye na yemon oil more than maintain your nkofo bebre transport business bebre yemon oil you one way galamsey one excavators ni na no your advice one the kind of oil
to mine
mining way proper mining small scale near galamsey for no proper mining munya you obi o yemon oil and I say fleet of cars so na friend na be hwa enye one grade na more cars ni na because cars ni are the same nti be ebotum a separate cars na mo there them cars them fleet of vehicles on them one agency for them grade fogum ya be yamo ebia we ni modern ones no was special oil say edugum no so ebotum ya blend near that brother we mu no so use way for one
okay yeah that's it papa yes Mr. Hooper ana ye hine chichun command niti ye de o kofi suka ho aha Coastal TV your own face your lubricant expert ye bada Mr. Hooper si na yada director nankasa CEO of Repart company lubricant manufacturing company no so yada na si papa director no pay each year yada si for your support. God bless you papa there at the Damadi Central region Zaba Cape Coast Zaba Ghana Zaba Omanum nyina ma obiara enjoy and obiara all benefit from seahorse product and lubricant yada si yemfensi aha